Okay, we're back with a new video. I'm just gonna show you the back of the car. This is a 2018 Jeep Compass, and what I'm doing today is a starter. This is a lot of fun. First of all, I have everything out, the battery. I'll start by showing you. I removed the battery. This is the auxiliary battery. That's the battery tray. This guy here is the battery tray. And then I had to remove the bumper, the front bumper, because I also removed the subframe. And in order to remove that subframe, I needed to remove this bar that's attached to the subframe. It's attached to the subframe here. And I had to remove that as well. This is a very big pain. It was a pain in my butt. I do not recommend that anybody try to do this at home. If you're not a mechanic, I suggest you get a professional help, a professional to help you do this, because the way the starter is set up, you can do it two ways. First way is you can remove the intake manifold, which I think is a whole lot harder to do rather than doing it from the bottom. So what I did in my case is I remove it from the bottom, and in order to remove it from the bottom, I will go ahead and lift up the car and show you what I did. Okay, so I have the car up in the air, and in order to remove the starter, this is the starter, by the way. It's a very bad design. It's hitting underneath that intake manifold here. So yeah, in order to do it, first of all, I had to remove the drive shaft, which was very hard to remove. This is the exhaust that sits on top of the subframe there. I removed the that's the transfer case. I had to remove the transfer case in order to free up all this space here to get to the starter. So this thing took me about 3 hours just to get the starter out. So I'm gonna say it's about 6 hours that this thing is gonna take me total. And then in order to remove the starter, you have 1, 2, and 3 bolts that you have to remove. So this is the new starter, by the way. I got a used starter from one of the local part dealer here in Omaha. And then now this one is gonna be there's one bolt here. I'm not sure if you can see it. One here, one over here, and then one over there at the end. Now these two were really difficult to remove. If you ever want to do it, I'll show you what I used to be able to take them off. So in order to take it off, I had to go out to Harbor Freight, and I bought one of these low profile what do you call it, 3/8 ratcheting with a 16mm, and I was able to put it here because the bolt was located here. So I was able to put it there and then use my hammer to hit it at the bottom here to get enough force to be able to loosen it. So that's kind of what I did to do this job. This is a very it's a very bad design. I hate doing it. I really hope I'm never gonna do this again unless somebody's paying me a lot of money to. So yeah, if you have any question, if you want to do it yourself and you need a step-by-step, you need help or something, just let me know. And yeah, also if this video helps you out, please like, subscribe, and share if you like to. Thank you for watching.